Joe and Josh are out here at Brook Pointe, and we're running our cable.
Unstring me there, please.
Joe's got the first light semi-mounted in here, and he's got to get another connector for the other light to be mounted in. We're diving that down at about 2 foot or so to be part of this sign. Josh dug the trench today, and he's going to go through and put that wire all the way up. Think of what, about 5 foot leave here, Joe? Yeah. Cool. All right, so that's the progress that we're making on the sign right now.